Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the power button. Keep holding it until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. It takes a couple of seconds. While the watch is turning on, we need to download and install the Galaxy wearable app on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store on your phone. Let me lower the brightness a little on our phone like this. Okay, so once you open the Play Store, tap on the search and type in Galaxy wearable, and then tap on search. And you should see this application, Galaxy Wearable by Samsung. Tap on the install button to download and install it, and let's wait until the application is done installing. As you can see, in the meantime the watch turned on and we see the list of languages on the screen. Once you see it, scroll through the list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and next select the country you want, the region. I'm gonna select the United Kingdom and then tap on restart, and let's wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, the app is done downloading, so we can tap on the open button to open it, then we can tap on continue, allow the required permissions, and wait. As you can see, the app is looking for the nearby devices, but our watch is still booting, so we need to wait. Okay, the watch is finally done rebooting. Now we can tap on search again to look for the nearby devices again. And as you can see, this time it detected our watch. So let's tap on it to select it. Tap on pair on the phone and on the check mark on the watch to confirm the pairing. As you can see, we need to download a plugin for the app, so we need to tap on OK. It will redirect us to the Google Play Store. We need to tap on install and wait until it's done installing. Once it's done installing, we can close the App Store and go back to the app. Right here we can log in into Samsung account. So if you want to use Samsung features like Samsung Health, backup and restore, Bixby and stuff like that, you need to log in. If you don't care, you can skip this step by tapping on skip. I'm gonna skip for now. Here we can check the first box to agree to the terms of use, and then tap on continue, or you can select both if you want to, or check both. Here you need to allow this permission, and next you can deny if you want to, the notifications one. I'm gonna allow it, but you can deny it if you want. And again, we can allow or deny the access to notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Right here we can agree to the terms of use for the Google services, like usage and diagnostic reports and location. You can check or uncheck the boxes and then tap on agree. Here let's tap on OK. And right here we can basically log in into a Google account. If you want to use, for example, Google Play Store, Gmail and stuff like that on your watch, you will need to log in into one, and you can basically use the account you are logged in on your phone and basically select it and tap next and copy it to your watch. I'm just gonna tap on skip to skip this step, but if you want to use Google services, remember to add the account. You can also add it later on in settings if you want to. Here I'm gonna tap on skip, then tap next, as you can see, we need to install another plugin, so let's install it. Go back to the app. Here, tap on continue. Continue. Allow OrdinID permissions. That's a lot of permissions. Okay. Then tap on next, or rather, before you tap on next, you can select preferred wrist and the button positions. Basically, if you want to wear your watch on the right hand or wrist and you want the switches to be on the other side, you can select different side of the switches. What it will do, basically, it will flip the screen. It won't do anything to the switches, but it will flip the screen, so the top of the screen is on the other side, basically. Okay, then tap next, 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 and let's wait until the process is complete. And once you see the Galaxy Watch 6 in the app on this page, on the device page, it means that the devices are paired together. It's still starting on the watch, but the pairing process is complete. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.